Gus here. I'm here right now at KBP, Kota Baru Parahyangan, Bandung. It belongs to the west part of Bandung Regency. Um, Now I'm in the street, the ascending street to Budi Luhur over there. And as you can see at the background over there are houses, uh, beautiful houses. Actually, they are quite new, and the area is very huge. I think it's about 40,000 kilometers square, and you can see different views over there. There's a lake down there, and over there are mountains. Yeah, people are enjoying their time, walking, talking with their families, and they're happy, I guess. So I want you to come to this place. Yeah. Okay. Bye.